going to a place very special. It is actually like paradise ang pupuntahan namin. As promised in our vlogs, we will bring you Camarines Norte right to your door. Particularly ang Daet. We will show you a very undiscovered place that you will never find anywhere except here in Daet. Patag ang tawag sa lugar. We will tell you a little bit more. Papunta namin doon at makikita ninyo what we are talking about. This is a place where you really want to be part of our group going there. Ang sarap talaga. And you will see it's clean, water is fresh. Ay nako, wait for us to get there and you will see. In the destination that we are going to, it says Purok 3 Family Head. Thank you. Anong lugar to?
Barangay San Isidro, San Lorenzo, Ruiz.
Ayan, Barangay San Isidro,
San Lorenzo, Ruiz.
San Lorenzo, Ruiz. Marami kaming dadaanan pa. At this point, iiwanan namin yung mga sasakyan namin because we are gonna go on a trail. We're gonna go on a trail going to the destination of paradise. You will see paradise right here. Now, it cannot be seen anywhere. I will guarantee you, once we get to our destination, para kayong nakadating. It is something for anybody that is watching our vlogs to look forward to make a trip. Pag pwede nang bumiyahe, as we promised, dadali namin sa inyo ang mga sites dito sa Cam Norte. And again, enjoy the day with us. I hope matikman din ninyo yung mga food na gagawin namin. We will cook very different ways of cooking and everything. But, pang ano pa rin, pang girilyang pagkain pa rin. Pang girilyang for a picnic. Finally here. Kung titignan niyo yung paligid, no? But you know what? When I look behind me, rainforest talaga to. If we were in South America, this would be considered as a rainforest. Even in North America, this is a rainforest. I guess it's also a rainforest here in the Philippines. And we start walking now. Pakilala lang ito mga kasama namin, no?
Hello!
Pakilala ka lang
Welcome! Welcome sa Paradise!
Oh, welcome to Paradise. Kami, dadaan ka. I'm still contemplating kung tatalo na ako or hindi pa.
Chef, anong masasabi mo?
Masasabi ko, dito mo mahalata kung sino yung mga malalakas pa yung buto. Gusto mo malaman kung sino yung successful na bumaba? Pag tinignan mo yung likod, pag walang markang ganyan, hindi natulas. Pag may markang ganyan, hindi natulas. Right now, we are are gonna do some experiment on trying to cook a sinigang dish, particularly pork sinigang, using the coconut shell. The meat, yung pinaka meat niya, hindi tinanggal. We added onions, some garlic, we have here tomatoes, and the zest of lemon. Very, very thin. I will slice. Do not include the white pigment inside. Huwag niyong isama yan. Because it will become bitter. We will add pork. We will slice them. Then, we drop this in. Tignan nyo. Just like that. The liquid should slow down yung masunog, no? Plus, the meat will keep it intact. Ito, yung takip, lalagay natin. Tingnan natin kung anong kalalabasan mamaya niyan. Food tasting 101. Sige, sir, kayo muna. Pagka hindi ka namatay, titigil. To better Camarines Norte. COVID lang yan. Ang COVID. Wow. Actually, it really tastes good. Yeah. Ang portion ng vlog natin ngayon is a cooking demonstration of the native ingredient na mahanap dito sa Patag lang. Pakilala ka muna, kuya. Siya ang mag-demo sa atin. Anong pangalan mo?
My name is Bajon Alessandro Patag.
Papakita niya sa atin, magluluto sila. It is actually a small crab. Pero ang species ng crab na yan, dito
Name yung
lang
crab, Tim.
mahanap. Tingnan nyo, the claws are bigger. Ha? Kung titingnan niyo yung shape niya, it's not like a regular crab. Ang crab is more oval. Okay? Onion muna.
Sunod natin ay garlic.
May yellow paper ba dito?
Ito, chef, ito, yellow paper. May black paper, may red paper. Yellow paper, right. Then, lagay mo na yung ano natin, yung cooking pan. Medyo, meron akong ano dyan eh, meron akong...
May balalay.
Oo, meron akong kasama. Hindi nyo lang alam.
Ano ito? Ano ito?
Yan yung gagamitin ko, chef, para... Anong pang panghalo? Mix.
Panghalo, pang mix-mix.
Native, sir eh, right?
Native, ayos yan.
Just put ginger, right?
Yan, ginger first.
Second, garlic. Labayon. Labayon, kung tawagin.
Karin.
Yan, lokarin.
Karin.
It was a very, very fulfilling day. It was not quite, it was a lot of fun. Ang daming thrill ng experience pumunta dito sa lugar na to. From going up the hill, going to some rough roads, yung bumababa kami using a rope. May evidence nga na dumulas ako dahil puro putik yung likod ko eh. But it was a very, very fulfilling day. I've learned so much. Alam mo, Mother Nature can really teach you and give you peace of mind. All of the hustle and bustle na nangyayari sa atin ngayon, lalo na with the pandemic that we are going through. Dito sa lugar na to, Mother Nature gave all of us peace of mind. I wish we could stay longer. And with that, I bid you all peace, good eats, stay safe, social distancing tayo. Okay? With that, Bantayog, Chef's League, Chef Rico here. Over and out.